Welcome to another chart of the week. This week we're looking at population trends and specifically for global equities. So demographics has been quite a hot topic lately, with apparently opposing forces arguing on the one hand for higher population growth to avoid population collapse, and yet others basically arguing for depopulation to avoid climate catastrophe in their quest for sustainability. We try to steer clear of these ideological debates at top-down charts and really focus on the facts, especially as they pertain to investment conclusions, because that's our main job. And so this chart here is focused on the facts. It's an exercise engaging the facts in terms of population growth across the major groups of countries within global equities. What is stark and interesting is both the level and the trend aspect, as you can see here. So, just the levels of them, but and the trends there that are clearly on display, but also the apparent divergence versus convergence across these disparate groups. So the old developed economies, for instance, in the blue line there, such as Europe and Japan, uh, they're down the bottom of the growth rankings. They've been consistently the lowest growing populations, and much like everyone else, basically trending down across that period. The USA has had historically been outgrowing developed economies, the other developed economies, for a number of reasons. But has also been sort of trending down and actually kind of converging into developed as well. And the other interesting fact, perhaps surprising to some, is the path of emerging markets. So previously was really fast growing population growth there, but over time they've actually started to converge, trend down and converge with the rest of the world in terms of developed economies. So there's a clear trend there, a clear theme of slowing population growth overall. But perhaps what stands out the most in this chart is frontier markets, higher than the rest and expected to remain high. The frontier has a demographic advantage here, and this matters because economic growth potential, and therefore ultimately earnings growth potential, depends on a combination of population growth and productivity growth. And so a very intriguing chart indeed, just in general, I think, but especially for global equities and asset allocation strategy. The global equity bear market of 2022 is sure to bring opportunities as valuations reset lower, and it's information like this, insights like from this kind of chart, that are going to help prioritize where to look for longer term investors. So, just to leave you with the key point there, population growth is slowing around the world except for frontier markets. So if you like this chart of the week, definitely be sure to sign up. The link is in the description of this video.